In this video, we will talk about the top 5 free marketing tools every Indian SMB must know in 2025. This video is aimed at Indian founders, freelancers, and solopreneurs, introducing 5 free and powerful tools designed to help manage marketing tasks without needing a full team, especially for those just starting out. Number 1, Canva, free plan, design like a pro, even if you've never opened Photoshop. Canva's free plan lets you create social posts, reels, posters, business cards, and even WhatsApp ads. Drag, drop, done. Number 2, Zoho CRM free tier, made in India, and surprisingly powerful. With Zoho CRM, you can manage leads, send follow-up emails, track customer activity, and even assign tasks. Great for SMBs starting with customer management. Number 3, Google Business Profile. Want to rank on Google without spending on SEO? Set up your Google Business Profile. It's free, and it helps you appear in maps, local searches, and reviews. Crucial for any local business in India. Number 4, Buffer, free social media scheduler, posting daily on all platforms? That's burnout. Use Buffer to schedule your posts for free on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Consistency without chaos. Number 5, MailChimp, free email marketing tool. I'm curious if you're sending emails manually. MailChimp's free tier allows for newsletter creation, automated welcome messages, and management of up to 500 contacts, making it ideal for fostering loyalty and re-engaging past customers. These tools are not just free, they're game changers if used right. All links are in the description. Try one this week and tell me in the comments which one gave you the biggest boost.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on notification.